the future of road travel doesn't arrive quietly, it makes a statement. And this motorhome, with its bold black and white exterior, flowing curves, and glowing accents, is a statement of pure luxury and futuristic design. From the outside, it already feels more like a high-tech superyacht on wheels than anything you'd expect to see on the open road. With its multiple axles, panoramic glass, and sculpted body lines, this is not just a motorhome. It's a rolling mansion that turns every journey into a first-class experience. Step inside, and the luxury only grows. The living lounge is sleek and modern, dressed in deep black seating with golden accents and warm ambient lighting running along the ceiling and floor. A large sectional sofa wraps around the space, paired with a glass table, creating an environment that feels both social and intimate. Whether you're hosting friends or simply relaxing after a long day, this lounge sets the perfect mood, a balance of futuristic elegance and homely comfort. Just a few steps away, the kitchen is a masterpiece of modern design. Black cabinetry with polished finishes contrasts against bright countertops, while a glowing backsplash illuminates the entire space with warm amber tones. Fully equipped with a cooktop, refrigerator, microwave, and smart storage solutions, this kitchen brings apartment-level functionality into a compact mobile form. Preparing a meal here isn't just practical, it feels indulgent, as if every detail has been designed to inspire you to slow down and enjoy the moment. Moving into the private spaces, the bedroom takes luxury on the road to the next level. A sleek, padded headboard glows with soft lighting, framing a king-sized bed wrapped in dark bedding with elegant highlights. Glossy white wardrobes stretch across the wall, providing storage without breaking the clean lines of the design. It's not just a place to sleep, it's a sanctuary, blending modern minimalism with the warm comfort of a high-end hotel suite. The bathroom is equally striking, combining black glossy finishes with white marble textures. A glass-enclosed shower with rainfall fixtures, a modern vanity, and carefully integrated lighting make it feel like stepping into a luxury spa. Even the smallest details, from the chrome fittings to the hidden storage, have been designed with precision. It's proof that, in this motorhome, practicality never comes at the expense of beauty. Of course, no luxury motorhome would be complete without the driver's cabin. Here, the futuristic aesthetic meets functionality. With a panoramic view of the road ahead, leather captain's chairs, and a digital control panel, the cockpit feels more like the inside of a luxury car than a traditional RV. It's a command center built for long journeys, where the comfort of the driver is as important as the passengers enjoying the mansion behind. Every inch of this motorhome has been designed to elevate the travel experience. From the glowing accents that highlight the interiors, to the way each room flows seamlessly into the next, it's a showcase of what happens when design, technology, and imagination come together. It's not just a motorhome, it's a lifestyle on wheels, one that redefines freedom, comfort, and modern living. So here's the big question: if you had the opportunity, would you leave your house behind and choose this futuristic black and white mansion on wheels as your new home? Let us know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this tour, hit that like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more journeys into the future of luxury travel.